Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Matt. It's a Sunday morning. What time is it? 8 o'clock. Everybody's still in bed. I gotta be quiet. Coffee. Right. So this gargoyle thing. Kind of approach on this is slow and steady, calm, relax, make it easy, and it's working out really well. What doesn't work really well is the fitment of these railings into the base. This one was an absolute pain. I had to cut a significant amount of resin away at the back to get it to fit, and it's fitted. Hairdryer would have worked, I think, but it's in. So I've got to look at doing some kind of bit more detail, because this just looks like mud and brick and nothing else. So, got my basing kit. Now, most modelers' basing kit is just the flock static grass. I don't know if I want to use it because it looks a bit tacky. But you know, I'm thinking it's autumn in Gotham. So what we have is some brown dried leaves. I got these from a place called Diorama Recipe, and there we go. It's dried leaves, small dried plants. So a bit of PVA, and drop these in. Drop these in like that. So we got brown. We also got some green. I mean, we got about 5 tubs of this. We got some green, which we could hang like that. And we got some kind of, there we go, kind of woody, kind of bush material, which would be good if we dropped in like that. We also have some leaves. Let me show you. These, just drop on leaves. If we can get this to focus. These, we can just drop single now and again, or scatter them. And that's a stick with blue tack on it. So a bit of PVA in some water, and we'll start working from the inside out, I think. I've also got some kind of like little plants. There's like a big plant, but we don't need to use a big plant. We can use a small plant. Excuse me, it's my stomach. It's early. I'm hungry. So yeah, we can use it like that. And again, but we need to hide these cracks. And that's that. So I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna get back to you. Cheers, guys. Okay, I folded. I have put dripping flock on this. It's only small, short flock, but it's only to hide some of this base, the brown. It's mud, there should be stuff growing on it. Always a good idea to do this kind of thing on a sheet of paper, because you can pick up the paper and pour it back into your pot afterwards. So I'm just making sure that everything's stuck down on there like that. There you go. So it doesn't look too bad. Just need to get in there. So hopefully I can get this brush in. BVA. Hopefully I can get this brush in without it touching anything on the side. Yep, got it. Like that. All the way down. There you go. In and out. So just kind of like roll it in your fingers and separate it, because you're going to get some lumps. But I can't seem to get in there. Anything in there? Don't worry about that. That's going to fall off. That's not glued. Like that. A little bit more on the inside there. Like that. Not much left in the bag. Oh dear me. A bit more like that. There you go. That, and then we can push it in and down. And all right. Like that. Okay. Leave it for a little bit, and we'll brush off any excess. I mean, you can get some off like that, hopefully. There we go. So all that can go back in your bag or container, or just scrape it up. Where are we? Keeps moving. Right. scrape it up and then put it on again. Okie dokie, this is where we're at with the Batman build. Base is done, and it looks like this. I decided to go full on flock and bits and pieces and foliage that I've had lying around, which I need now to restock. Looks like that. Dropped some leaves in there. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe not. I'll turn my light up, actually. I better. I can see now. So there you go. There it is. As I said, got some leaves in there. If we can get it to focus. Leaves in there. And leaves on top of there. And leaves in there. A bit more mould green on top there. I think we want to use flock. I think it makes it look a bit hairy. So that's that. Okay, so the base is done. That's all I have to on that. I'll put another layer of varnish over the top, and I think the next video is going to be starting the Batman.